Minister in charge Soil and Water Conservation Marcus N. Marak inaugurated a new Soil and Water Conservation Beat office in Laskien village, West Giant Hills, aiming to bolster local conservation efforts across 47 villages under Ilaka Raliang. The minister said the Beat office will provide essential resources and technical assistance to the public, and now they will not have to travel far to avail many services related to the department.
The
Vision and Selfless Act have paved the way for facility that will greatly benefit 47 surrounding villages. This centrally located plot spanning 106,430 square feet stands as a beacon of hope and progress for many.